All right, good morning, boys and girls. Hang on a second here while there we go. Hey, that's better. All right, I'm gonna just change up some lighting here. There, that should be better. All right, it is Wednesday morning. What do we got here? 15 past the hour. We got about 15 minutes to market open. It is Wednesday, May 20th. And let's do some chart cleanup and then we will, looks like we swept out those highs. Okay, we can get rid of that. Yeah, we'll clean up the charts. We'll do some quick analysis and we'll see what the day holds. Just at first observation, looks like we have a pretty good uptrend started after some back and forth on slight downtrend with yesterday's market, but it looked like it came back a little bit. So we'll take a look at the 4 hour and some of the other time frames, 1 hour, and we will see what we've got there. Okay, everything looking pretty good there. Okay, pretty good altogether. Interesting. Pre-market, we just came back up above London highs, so that's interesting. Let me get this. I'm going to get the sessions marked off first, and then we'll take a quick look at the hourly and the 4 hour and see what we have. Let's see. Is this up here? Yeah, that's up above. Okay, so looks like New York got taken out. I'm going to leave that in though. What's going on here? There we go. Okay, we have that. London highs. London Okay. Looks like New York and London got swept there. Let's go here. Okay. Now that we have that, let's look at the 1 hour real quick. Okay, overall, sort of a downtrend look, but it looks like our attempts to get back to an uptrend were successful during the London and Asian sessions. So we're in an uptrend on the 1 hour. Okay, we did get, yeah, low and a high. We did get a break of structure in an uptrend. low. High and a low is a high. We'll see what happens with this one, but okay. Looking like an uptrend right now. So my initial bias is going to be we do have the break of structure coming back up. So although the 4 hour was bearish, it's now starting bullish just at the front end of bullish. So yeah. Don't quite have the break of structure on ES. So we are floundering here a little bit on ES. NASDAQ being a little more decisive now on its uptrend. Oh, I take that back. High and low. Okay, yeah, we're in a brand new break here of break of structure. So on both of them, yes, brand new break of structure. You can see right here, we got high and a low is our high right here, which is a lower high than this one. Our next high, which is looking like right here, this is an up candle, did break structure above this high. And so even if this is a low candle, our new high is going to be up here. So yeah, we're definitely bullish on the rest of this for right now. So that is our, I don't know what this is. Let me go back to the 4 hours, see if there's anything I'm missing marking out here. Doesn't look like anything that isn't already taken care of. Okay. Low and a high is a low. We'll do that one right there. Okay. I don't see anything else there. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Low and a high is a low. Low and a high is a low. Okay. All right. We've got some additional target points here. Okay. Now we can go to our regular normal and Okay. Market opened, came up. Small liquidity, spin back and forth. All right. This is going to be a wait and see, a watch and see. So right at pre-market, we took out London highs and immediately came up, came back down. So we do have a slightly bearish price action on the 5-minute, but that could be, so market open, I'm thinking we've already swept here. We're probably going to move to sweep below these 1 hour lows right here, maybe to here, and possibly take London before moving higher. So that is the prediction. We've got about, what do we got? We've got about 3.5 minutes to market open. So, we'll see what happens here. Take our time. Name of the game is stay patient and let the setup come to you. Okay. Interesting. So we got a little SMT divergence right here, a bullish, which it did do, and then came back down. So, all right, it does look like we're going to come open, we're going to take down those hourly lows. It might even actually happen sooner, excuse me, than later. So I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee because first few minutes I'm not going to do much here. There's nothing I'm going to take advantage of at market open at the moment. Alrighty, looks like we took out those lows. Let's see if this candle took out those hourlies already, so that's the market manipulation, but it looks like ES is floundering while NQ is pushing right away, a lot more volatile. So really the thing we want to look at is this gap right here, value gap. Got a tiny one here as well. I think for ES, we're looking more for a break of structure. I think we're going to get that break of structure here. Let me mark out that value gap. ES is tanking while NASDAQ is hanging out in that value gap. So this might be something, I guess we'll have to see where it goes, but we're clearly looking at a SMT here, the way this is working. That's a good move up right there, but still anybody's ball game right now. That's good. Heading back to London. It's a good opening candle. ES is just floundering. Got a lot of volatility this morning. Some pretty big looking swings. Again, name of the game is to be patient. I like what NASDAQ is doing, but ES is giving me some pause. It might be that ES had wanted to come down, take out these lows too, whereas here it was already done when this came down and took out from here to here. That might be that divergence it is looking to take out. So came down and hit this mark here. So London lows will be the next one. Okay, so there we go. Now we're good. Let's get into the 1 minute and look for some kind of retrace. We've inversed that gap. Might look for equilibrium. I don't really see a value gap except for down here. So we're going to look for an equilibrium play. Did come down to the value gap. If that gets respected and we have equilibrium, we're good to take a long, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, well, that just got all blown out. We have news. Let's see what's going on here. That's not till 11. Crude oil inventories are right now. All right, so it looks like they're heading to London then. All right, so this is why we are going to stay. Okay. S&P took out London, NASDAQ. Not quite there, but we are definitely sitting on our hands at the moment. It would all be betting lucky trades at this point if we tried to pull something. We've got another gap we can inverse right here. We haven't broken structure to the downside yet, but we're going to keep an eye on it. Yeah, it's just headed straight to London. London lows. It's a gigantic swing. Wow. Okay, let's see if it closes below there. Wow. Looks like that gap got respected. Staying that way so far, it seems. This has been some pretty whipsaw action here, so I'm not ready to take any trades just yet. I think ultimately I want to wait for ES to break structure to the upside, which it looks like it's going to. And once that happens, then it looks like we have open door for Nasdaq to make a move. We've kind of got open range heading up. We do have some targets that are a little more realistic on ES.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm getting killed.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Shit.
Order filled.
What the hell's going on here?
Order filled.
All right. Well, I'm in trouble. This is just. All right. Well, that's it for today, guys. We will pick it up again tomorrow. Okay.